Ah, good evening, football critics. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Tlaxin Team, and I'm back with another post-match video. Man, I don't know. I don't know how to feel about this one. Well, obviously, um, we just went through to the knockout rounds. Bafana 3-2 winners against Zimbabwe. Crazy game. If you're a neutral and you're not supporting anyone. Good game, exciting game. Igame enamagoli ayi-5. Uyabona ukuthi it's exciting. But from a South African point of view, um, I don't know whether I should be happy um, about Bafana in this tournament. Um, let's start off with this game. I'm worried about the defending. I'm really worried about the defending. I feel like Maso defend kanje. Lack of concentration, not tracking Amarani from the players, not being aggressive enough when you have to mark. I'm worried. I'm worried ukuthi we're gonna play a more difficult team with better quality and bazosiphanisha, yabo. Um, you saw even the goals that we conceded. The first one that we conceded, Mbogazi not being tight enough, being casual like Mageni, nje akufani naye, not going fully on his man, ukuzomaga athole ibhola. They score. You might say it's individual brilliance. Yes, fine. At the end of the day, it's individual brilliance. A player dribbling through players, a core goal. It's individual brilliance, but I feel like we should have marked a better clear situation there. Second goal, Abu Mudiba, they don't track a run from winger. They get the goal. Yes, it's a lucky goal deflection, but I mean, not lack of concentration. So this was zonke lezo zinto, because when we have our possession, especially before we scored the first goal, I thought we played really well. Besikwazi ukucombine. Our attack was fluid. Besikwazi ukubastretcha and into esizayo when you play against Zimbabwe, as good as they seem to be defensively, being stubborn, all of that. Ama-side wabo, they are not as good as we think in terms of ukmark. Now ama-side wabo, because they play a back five and they playing ama-wing back, which becomes a back three. So they push too forward ama-wing backs wabo, and then they leave space in behind, yabo. That is why there was joy for Murem, Apolis to get the ball, yabo, cut in, drive in, yabo, and get those opportunities. And we utilized that before we scored the first goal. And then when we scored the first goal, we still had control of the ball, but now we are just too casual, yabo. Too casual. We are not fluid enough. Asicombine ngale ndlela sifuna ukucombine ngayo. And then they scored the goal, yabo. And now we have to chase again, yabo. So I'm really not happy about Bafana at the moment. But okay, a win is a win. If you go through, at the end of the day, it's good for us. But I'm not sure. Because Maubuga Iloko the starting 11. I thought the starting 11 was okay. Yeah, but the way the players are playing at the moment, I don't know. Even I even look at their body language. I'm not sure whether they are really feeling like bazoyiwina le tournament le, when I look at their body language. Because before the tournament started, I was very hopeful ukuthi and then very, very certain we can win this tournament and we will win this tournament. But now, as I'm looking at ama game esiwadlalayo, I'm starting to see a pattern of previous times when iBafana Bafana approach AFCON. And I'm not really sure whether we will go all the way and win it, especially when I'm looking at Amanyama team, when I'm looking at Abu Cameroon, Cote d'Ivoire, Algeria, Nigeria, Morocco, the hosts. Um, I don't know. I don't know. But the defending is shocking. The defending, like it is really, really shocking how we are defending. Especially Utrekamarana. Yabo. You're gonna do that against Abu Amad Diallo, against Abu Odemola Lookman. Yabona nje and sizoba punished, like severely punished if sizodefenda ngale ndlela le, and not being tight on our opponents. I'm a strike, because imagine we play against Nigeria now, and then we defend like this. Abo Victor Osimhen, they're gonna have a free show. Yabo, they're gonna have a free show. Abo Lookman bazobukisa ngathi. Yabo, so we have to be better at defending. Like, we have to be better with our defending. You cannot defend like this in a tournament of this nature. Awukwazi uzophuma nje manje. Yabo. So we have to fix lapho. We really need to fix lapho, and the sooner we fix our defense, I feel like the better for us. Yeah, well, credit to Lyle Foster. When the tournament started, I said I preferred Mahopa playing over Lyle Foster, but Muyabona, as the tournament is going, I can see his value in the team, and he's scoring important goals, winning goals for us. So credit to him. He's showing ukuthi ngempela he's playing Lego Premier League, because usually for Bafana Bafana, in my time watching Bafana Bafana, the players who are playing overseas were the ones who are doing worse than the ones who are playing here. But credit to him. I think he's playing really well. But yeah, man, I don't want to speak too much about the game, because I just see a lot of negatives ngale game le. Um there's a lot, especially defensive wise, because even attack wise, I don't feel like we are creating enough opportunities as we should, especially with the quality that we have. um I don't know, sometimes just slow kakhulu combine Krama 1-2 passes into the box. We're a little bit too slow in that department. But just something has to happen. Something has to happen, if for us to win this tournament. Otherwise, sizophuma. Do I still think we're gonna win the tournament? Um, Yabo manje lele. Yabo manje, let me just be honest. By the way things are going, no, my opinion has changed. Um, but I still want to be proven wrong. I like it when my teams prove me wrong. But at the moment, my opinion has changed about us winning the AFCON. But yeah, as long as we are still in the competition, anything can still happen. We just need to dig in deep and just be better than we were today. So yeah, I mean, that's my take for today's game. Bafana really needs to be better next game for the remainder of the tournament, because now we are poor manje. We are going to the knockout rounds. I'm not sure who are we facing. I think we might face the winners of Group A. So there's a huge opportunity that we're gonna face in Morocco. if my calculations are right. So if you're gonna face in Morocco, the host nation with quality players, we're gonna have to be really, really, really better than we were today. And yeah, man, that's it from me. It's your boy Clanton Slags and Mdima. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, comment, guys. Your support will be really, really much appreciated. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Hola.